Let's go put him away.
Cheese.
Come on.
Cheese.
Uh-oh. Pick them up. You want me to hand them to you? Okay, say, go put them in your room. Say, excuse me, Zuzu.
Oh.
Puppy.
Now put him away. Tuck him in there.
Okay.
That's good enough. There you go. Go see if Mom has anything left.
Hey, the laundry's all done, but can you put the basket in the closet? You carry that? Pull it into the closet.
Yeah, we'll pull you into the closet.
Okay.
Ready? Hold on. Give Mommy a push.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, turn close.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you
No.
later.
Can you say bye-bye
Oh, watch out.
to Daddy?
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.